What's the time? It's
raining.
It's starting to rain. It is 6:34. I had my watch on. I just looked.
That place the guy asked you on the live, it's not open.
Okay, so what we're going to do is have a look at what is actually open on Pub Street. So first up, buddy boy, Banana Lounge.
First of all, baby free night.
Yeah, that is crucial. We've left Max with the girls to see what's going on. So first up, what was this? We ate up here, didn't we?
This used to be dragon.
Something or other.
Dragon.
Yep.
And then remember there was on the news with the building collapse.
Yeah, but then we ate up. This is where we took the girls up for a night out.
Yeah,
And it looks like it's still open.
Temple Club 3.
But yeah, Banana Leaf, no go.
There's fish.
Oh, there's plenty of fish, but there's no Banana Leaf. There's no lovely, entertaining singers. Paper Tiger, this is where Graham and I and Graham's mate Will had a beer the other day.
Used to be called Le Tica de Papier. Le Tica de Papier.
Le Tica de Papier.
The tiger.
Ah, the Tiger. Well, it's probably the same thing. They've just called it the Tiger.
Paper Tiger.
Yeah. Temples.
God, that's quiet.
Temples open. I don't think this place will ever shut because it is the biggest thing.
They own the building, so they don't have to pay the rent.
That's it. They own the joint. This place, Premium Meat Choices, Siem Reap's best hot pot and barbecue. I think this is the one that I can't remember who it was. Just Dave. Good. Yeah, pork, chicken, beef, frogs, legs, beef, crocodile. You can get crocodile still. I can't remember who asked me. It was only 2 days ago we did the live stream, but you can still get your crocodile meat here. Monsoon is open. I don't know if this has been... Is this new?
Which one?
Monsoon.
Yeah.
This is new. This is the Mexican joint I was talking about. Mexican Steakhouse. That's still open. Hanuman is new. This is where our mate Panya has sunk in some folding in a very competitive pub street scene. Is he there? Panya's not here. Mate, I'm here.
Not here yet.
Hey?
He said he's not here yet.
Not here yet. Panya, I'm here. I'm ready to make a film of your establishment. This week, mate.
Oh, the Khmer trolley.
Check out that pram.
Cool.
This looks pretty ordinary here. This joint here looks like it's shut. What was that one? That was a pretty lively establishment there. This wood-fired pizza joint, nothing happening here. This corner here, what is it? That was another
temple.
That was a temple establishment. That's shut. Have a look down this alleyway. There's nothing going on. Absolutely kaput. It's where Longs is, isn't it? Down here?
Longs, the other side.
The other side. Il Forno's open down there, but also you can see there's nothing else happening down here either.
You want to go look
down there?
inside?
No, we can just keep having a look here. Red Piano, so we confirmed this the other day that it's closed, which is shut. Sports bar is open, which we knew.
It's new sports.
This joint is shut. I thought there was just a lot of work happening. This was the old... What was it?
Oh, I can't remember.
Yeah, I wonder if the AFL is on here. If so...
On the list was rugby, soccer and more.
And more. Maybe
We don't know what more
AFL is and more. We'll go and ask them later.
Yes.
Maybe I'll put on the bottom of the screen if they do watch footy. Yeah, this joint's kaput. This was the scene of our 2018 New Year celebration extravaganza, and it is still there.
Still open.
Cheers is open. Cheers looks like it's undergone a bit of a refresh. This all looks very nice and fancy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Have a look at that, folks. It's not as loud as it used to be. This joint used to be loud as buggery.
Competing with Cross the Road.
Ah, and they're shut. Cross the roads yet, so they confirm that's shut. This used to be your mate's place up here, didn't it?
This place as well.
This one here too.
Owner.
Same owner. We used to go up here and eat.
Yeah.
Oh well, we used to go up there and eat with Black Banya because he knew he could get a discount.
Or he get free food.
Or he got free food. So this was another place where my Kinal and her mates, all being guides, sort of knew everyone that knew everyone that knew everyone.
Because the owner used to be tour leader.
Okay.
He was doing tour leadering and managed restaurants for a bit.
Yeah.
And then he stopped being a tour guide. But we still went there to support him.
Yeah. His alleyway, whatever this alley's called.
Remember the umbrella?
Yeah, all the umbrellas. I drove through here. Went past here the other day and just wondered what was open, what wasn't. So this joint is open. There's no one in here. You get your clothes shop. You know, going. Sorry? Oh, sweet. Yeah, no, it's drive through. Oh, they're all stopped. This place is open. Picasso Bar. This place here is open. This Italian joint. I don't think have we had. I'm pretty sure we had something here once. I can't remember what we had though.
Did we come here for like pizza or something?
Maybe. But it's open.
We came with
Khmer Gourmet. I can't remember. I would have remembered the pizza.
Huh?
Gelato Lad's open. I do remember the gelato from Gelato Lad. Panya. Panya's got a... I know, he's tight. You're getting a fair roasting in this video, mate.
Some duty-free stuff.
Duty-free shops open, and then we're back to this sort of point.
Khmer kitchen closed.
Oh yeah, Khmer kitchen shut too.
Go through that alleyway there.
Yeah, let's go straight through.
That's where we went to another Khmer kitchen on the other side, remember?
Yeah. This place used to just be jumping. Another sports bar. Keep it up.
Used to be something else different.
Another spa. That looks fresh.
What is spa? It used to be behind the UK.
Oh yeah.
Next, not far from Yellow Bar.
Oh,
Everything here shut.
everything's kaput. Nothing down there. Nothing down there. That's El Forno down there. And nothing's happening straight ahead. All these little back alleyways, which are very, very cool.
I think we came.
kaput.
We came here one for the barbecue thingy,
I think so.
and they have like I don't know.
Can't remember. Can't remember much. So it's a lot to process when A lot has changed, and B it's the first time in about 2 weeks we haven't had a child with us. So
Yeah. But I think we can count with using our fingers with how many restaurants open there.
yeah, absolutely. Anyway, we'll take you to Soksand Road now. Have a look at what that looks like.
Why?
Because
Going back to Soksan.
no, because we've already. So what they don't know is that we've already been there, and I'm just going to flip the footage around and go back in time to where we went through Soksand Road. So let's go to Soksand Road. Righto. Is this James Bond on his Honda moped?
This is Expat up the top.
Yeah, now it's going to be a bloody 7-Eleven. So I showed the guys this in another video. Yeah, 7-Eleven. Do you reckon they're going to make an absolute killing here?
Probably.
So,
Back.
yeah. So Soksand is... She was happy?
She's barang in the back.
Yeah. So this is Soksand Road. So this was almost like a not secondary pub street, but another popular night spot and place where people could go and eat.
And $1 t-shirt.
$1 t-shirts here. Look at that. No bargaining there. Have a look here. This is actually, I showed you this the other day, but have a look at the height difference between where the
With the restaurant was.
where the restaurant was to where the road is. That is fair dinkum. That's about a metre, 80 centimetres, I reckon.
It should be more, look. Isn't it should be more?
What do you mean?
Like part of the road? Does this one go all the way up there?
Yeah.
Or is the road
I think the road
up
ends here.
Okay.
But yeah, this would have been one of those scenarios where it would have just gone whoop, straight up. This guy's fucking going to drive into me.
What the hell is he doing?
Mr. Q7, what a shit bloke.
Same on the other side.
Yeah, have a look at that. Same over there. This is open, whatever this is. This is a hotel. Yep. Pick up the pace. This spa joint looks like it's open. But apart from that, it's pretty dire, huh? Some place to live. I'm looking for Anadia restaurant, which I don't think exists. Is that it in there? Anadia?
I think so.
Because of all the foliage.
Yeah, all the flowers.
This was another favourite of ours, which is Anadia restaurant, which was another sort of place where, yeah, look at that. Gonski, the place where Kinal and I would frequent. They did reasonable Khmer food and they catered for like big groups of Barang and tour groups, hence why.
Then another 2-litre racket.
Yeah, another 2-litre racket.
Khmer taste still here.
Khmer taste still popping away. And what's going on here? This is all developed. Have a look at up there. Some bloody big umbrellas. Yeah, fair bit of development. A few people in there.
Because it's cheap.
Because it's cheap.
Look at the price.
A fair few barangs in here. Look at that.
It's spring roll for $1.50, which on Park Street, banyak burger for like $7.
Yeah, how much is it here?
This sandwich for $1, fried
There you
egg and bread for $1.
Very cheap. Reasonable joint. Here's a massage joint. Hello. Green bamboo. Let's just make a quick lap up here so you can see this wine shop is still going. This joint, whatever it is, another massage joint. Someone's house. This local looking establishment. A few tourists in here, that's good to see. Playing the rugby. Red Piano, Socksand Road. Following the same fate as its pub street namesake. Kaput. Nature Massage. Gonski. Hotel. Anjani Palace. Kaput. This joint, the Holy Guest House, is still going. Daily Oyster. I don't know if it's any relation to the Blue Oyster Bar. And a couple of little local shops still kicking around. These things are awesome. Go get yourself stuff from there. Pharmacy. And I think this was... was that bloody other joint? I can't remember. Whatever it was, it's shut. So yummy is the title of that joint. And then we've got this temple residence, and I've got this big brown puddle in front of me. It's the spa, and whatever this was, shut. I think we know that bloke. I think we know that bloke and his mate. I think we know that bloke and his mate. Good. We're just taking a night walk. Oh, you're looking for Jungle Burger. So that's Graham. Graham watches this rubbish.
Hello.
This is his mate Will. Will, this is my Mrs. Kinal.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We just go and come up here.
Yeah.
It feels like it's the same. Everything's shut.
Yeah.
But there's a few places that look like there's touristy, which is
Just
good.
starting to open up.
Yeah.
Well, they've closed off the
Hey.
street up the road there.
Yeah.
And,
Maybe just come up the road.
Why?
Yes.
Do it local style. Just
Yeah,
stop
right
on the middle
I
of the
saw an
road.
accident on here up at the corner
Yeah.
a little bit earlier today.
Yeah.
So a food delivery guy and another
Give me your
motorbike.
phone.
Oh,
Fair dinkum.
yeah. They both got up blaming each other.
Jeez. Unreal. He nearly, that alley nearly ran into me. Rubbish
Jungle
driver.
Burger gone.
Jungle Burger.
Yeah.
Wasn't it down?
Yeah, it used to be Street 26, but now according to here,
It's
it's here.
So he's not here.
I just arrived.
I thought Jungle. Jeremy, did you say Jungle Burger was down your
Have you
way,
got the night
Bow
off?
area? Hang on, we can't
Yeah, but
So that was just Graham and Will looking for Jungle Burger, which we know is still around because Kinal's sister was talking about it yesterday on Yang. Yeah, I was just saying that I think this side of town, it feels like there's more tourist activity happening here than on Pub Street and its surrounds. So yeah, look, even in here, yeah, so Sock Sand Road maybe where it's at the moment. But look, I might just wind this up because it's probably night and you can't see much, but at the same time it just gives you a look at what's changed here and what the nightlife looks like. It really feels like the place shuts down at about 9 o'clock these days, so it's only going to change when you guys come back and eat, drink and stay out late. So that's the message here. Anyway, we've got to find something to eat and then get back to Max before we...
go see Long.
Yeah, actually we're going to go see Long. We'll show you Long's bar. That might be a Thirsty Thursday. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, ciao. Chicka ciao.
Chicka ciao.